Hey guys, so this video we're going to take a look at and install these XM Cozy porch lights. They were nice enough to send me these for free so I can make this video showing them to you. It comes as a 2-pack. They are smart lights. We'll be able to connect them to the XM Cozy app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I think for this video we're going to do Bluetooth, but you connect them to the app and then you control the color of the lights, how bright they are. They come on during the night, they turn off during the day. We can have them go to the beat of music, voice control, light scheduling. I mean, once you get a smart device connected to an app, it's amazing all the different options of what you can do. So again, it is a 2-pack. This is how it comes out of the box, and you'll have to slap it together, which is super quick and simple. And what you're going to do, we're going to assume that you already have some porch lights out there and you're replacing old ones with these nice new ones. So first thing you're going to have to do is get this bracket off. We have a little hex bolt on each side. It comes with the hardware and everything. It also does come with instructions for the app and getting these all put in. But you're going to get this guy off by taking those bolts on. You're going to screw this guy onto your existing box, feed the wires through the middle, wire nut the wires together, black to black, white to white, green to green, or green to bare, and then put these guys back on, and boom. It is super simple. This will take you no time to install. And you'll notice this, metal. This, metal. Plastic. This part's plastic. Really like the design there with like the water beads or whatever you call it inside there, but I really like how that looks. I think it's nice and sharp. By the way, that is a power button. It's very important later. Simple press on and off and changes through the modes, but if you press and hold, that puts it into our connection mode if we're connecting to our phone for the app or something. Now, I put together a little temporary setup just so you guys can see what this thing's all about. It's flashing like this because it is in connection mode. The first time you turn it on, it's going to do this, and we're going to have to install the app so we can get it connected. Quickly, we're going to go through the process of setting up our light. First thing is, apparently we have to create an account. It got tired of waiting on me. Have to create an account with their app. We'll click the plus sign to add a device. And you can see we have the porch light here in the bottom corner. We're going to long press this button because we're not flashing anymore. Confirm the light is blinking. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Stop blinking. I think that means we're connected. We'll see in 1 second. And successfully added. Now here's where we get to all the fun stuff. You can see the little dimmer slider. I can turn that way down. Or turn it back bright again. We can change the color. So, if we want to... we can go orange for Halloween, Christmas, maybe we want to go red. Maybe we want to go green. So we have a little color wheel that we can change whatever color that we want. I want to go back to white. Which maybe we just... Oh, here we go. White. There we go. Perfect. Now from white, we can even change, do we want more of a warm white, or do we want bright white, even a bluish tinge to it? So we have a lot of control over the brightness and the shade. We even have some scene modes. Let's see what colorful does. I'm going to change it to one called Gorgeous. And it looks like that fades in and out of different colors. This one's called Nightlight. But you get the idea. Tons of different scenes that we can go through. Let's try this music one. I'm going to play some music, which means I'm going to have to turn off the audio. You guys... Oh. It'll blink to the sound of my voice. Ha 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 ha. I'll play some music. I'll have to kill the audio for you guys, but you'll get to see it blinking. So you get the idea of going to the beat of the music. Now here we can also do, it looks like a plan, schedule, timers, power on behavior. So a couple of different options you can play with there. I'm going to stop the blink into the music thing. And there we are, back to bright white. Before we actually get this thing hooked up outside, I want to show you how to set up the dusk till dawn mode, because it's more difficult than it should be. Something that a majority of users are probably going to want. Should be a single tap kind of thing, but it's not. So we have to back out of the settings for this. So this is our list of lights. I have another one of their lights. So this would be anything that you have connected. Down at the bottom, there's a button called Scene. You click on that. It says Automation at the top. We're going to create a scene. Click When Weather Changes. Sunset, sunrise. So it asks for your location and it has your address all on the thing. So I had to skip that part. So, you know. Anyway, the next screen you get to, you're choosing which light that you want to control. And at sunrise, we want it to go off. So we're selecting off. So now we have at sunrise, it turns off. We're going to do the exact same thing a second time. Now at sunset, we're going to have it turn on. Select this guy, on, off, turn on, save. So we have two automations. At sunset, it turns on. Sunrise, it turns off. Now we can go hook this up outside and see what we think. Getting ready to install the new light. Got the old light off, and this one's kind of interesting. Normally, we want to put our new bracket where that guy is, but he's pretty sunk back in there, and the screws aren't going to be long enough. So we're going to put our bracket right into this right here with some screws. It'll be just fine. New bracket on, ready to go. Time to throw on our wire nuts. For the wiring, you know the drill. White to white, black to black, green to green, or green to bare. Now when putting on these pieces, that little hole actually goes to the bottom. That's for water that gets in there to drain out. And there's a little tab right there, lines up the top. So we just got to slap this guy on, line up our holes here, and put those bolts back in. And tighten up our bolts, and we're going to be all done. We'll flip the switch and hopefully there will be light. There it is. Looking great, other than someone needs to clean the siding. Now I turned it to a little bit to the yellowish, because here's the thing, yellow light attracts less bugs. So if you're getting a lot of bugs at your light, make it yellow and you won't get as many. Also, it's kind of like the warmness of the porch light being yellow. But we're going to leave it how it is, and we'll come back when it's actually nighttime, because it's not dark yet, and see what we think then. Well, there it is. Worked perfectly, came on at dark just like it was supposed to. Since that worked, we're going to assume the turning off during the day is going to work as well. Come on, Scooter. We got to check out our new light. I really kind of like the orangish yellow glow. Nice warm look to it for a little porch light. Come on, Scooty. Oh yeah, look at that. Scooter, you gotta get up this way. You're not being helpful. So there it is, nice new porch light. Thanks for watching.